wondering why your videos are not getting views because you're not playing the algorithm game right. Yes, in this video I will show you how YouTube algorithm works in 2025 and how to beat it. Yes, hi, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I will walk you through how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025. In 2025 the YouTube algorithm is smarter than ever, but it is also predictable. Once you understand what it wants, you will know how to use it and get more views and subscribers faster. One, the algorithm loves watch time. Number one thing the algorithm rewards is watch time. That means the longer people watch your video, the more YouTube will promote them. Use strong hooks throughout your video to keep viewers watching. Two, the CTR, click-through rate. Yes, if people aren't clicking your thumbnails and title, YouTube won't push your video. So bold, clear thumbnail and more curiosity drive titles. Example, instead of saying my YouTube setup, try I film with just my phone. So three, consistency and posting patterns. Consistency and posting patterns. YouTube favors creators who post consistently. Even once a week builds momentum. The algorithm needs signal that you are active and reliable. Four is engagement growth. Encourage likes, comment and share. High engagement tells the algorithm that your content is valuable. So ask a simple question at the end of each video. Which tips helps you most? You can ask any question at the end of your video. Ask a simple question at the end of each one. The fifth one is niche. Niche focus matters. Yes, your niche. If your video is if your video is all over the place, YouTube won't know. If your video is all over the place, YouTube won't know who to recommend your video to. YouTube won't know who to recommend them to. Yes, so now you stay focused on one niche, especially in your first 50 videos. YouTube short can also boost your reach fast. Yes, use them to grab new viewers and direct them to your long form videos. So in this, when you're using short, make sure you are using your niche. Let it be short that is within your niche. Don't use okay, now you're doing fitness, you're using cooking vlog short to boost your reach. It will not work. It will give you views, but it will not give you audience. Yes, so this is how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025. Algorithm isn't your enemy, it is your tools. Use them, use these tips and watch your viewers grow today. Thank you for watching. Please, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and comment for more video tips like this for beginners. So subscribe and please go and watch 10 YouTube ideas for beginners. Thank you for watching. Bye.